Hariprasad is back with another lecture on soft skills. The topic is stress management in daily life. On stress, some lectures given. One more lecture on stress management. Stress management in daily life. Be resilient to hold up pressure and meet challenges head on. Head on, you need to meet challenges and be resilient to hold up pressure. Mental symptoms of stress: tension, irritability, inability to concentrate, feeling excessively tired, trouble sleeping. Physical symptoms of stress. Let us see now. Dry mouth, a pounding heart, fast beating heart, pounding heart, difficult breathing, stomach upset, frequent urination, sweating palms, tight muscles that may cause pain and trembling. Let us see stress management strategies. 1. Avoid unnecessary stress. Don't take stress at all. 2. Alter the situation. 3. Adapt the stressor. 4. Accept the things you can't change. 5. Make time for fun and relaxation. 6. Adopt a healthy lifestyle. How does the stress affect the body? Let us see. Your heart speeds up, pounding heart. Blood flow to your brain and muscles increases up to 400%. Your digestion stops. Your muscle tension increases. You breathe faster to bring more oxygen to your muscle. How to withstand stress? By relaxation, by regular exercise, by eating right. Before closing this lecture, I will give you 3 rules for success. 1. Trust your brain. 2. Trust yourself. 3. Trust Hariprasad. You can become winner in life. Thank you. Carpe diem.